Fully detailed and ready to rumble, this 68 Mustang is the beneficiary of an extensive ground-up restoration that turned an everyday Ford into a feature-worthy Pro Tour. From its Coyote V8 to its Chassisworks suspension, this fastback is the stuff dreams are made of. Steal a glance at this Mustang's super slick body and you'll see what high-quality craftsmanship truly looks like. In what amounts to a six-figure build, this Mustang was turned from a tired old mule into a show-stopping thoroughbred. This Ford's total reboot began with all-new sheet metal that included a pair of OEM front fenders. Once hours of labor had blended that metal into excellent fit and finish, a rich layer of DuPont Magic Red base was sealed under hot hues sandstorm stripes and a glossy clear coat shell. Pop the car's doors and you'll find an attractive, well-rounded interior that was installed by the pros at Samson Design. Power-operated 4th generation GTO buckets sport high-quality vinyl covers. An aluminum-trimmed dash founds altimeter gauges, a Pioneer touchscreen, and controls for modern air conditioning. And a billet specialty steering wheel spins a flat-bottom rim around a tilting column. Under the hood, you'll find a 5-liter dual overhead cam mod motor that twists 379 dyno-proven horsepower into 375 pound-feet of torque. And a Tremec T56 6-speed spins a Chassisworks FAB9 rear end that's fitted with 31 spline axles.